So it's about 2:13 in the morning. I don't even know if you could see me, but this is my first round of shoveling snow. That's the kind of morning I'm having, is shoveling snow at 2 o'clock in the morning to ensure that it's not too much and too heavy in the morning. So we started early. This is our first batch of shoveling right now. As you could see, it's dark, it's outside. I'm outside. I'm using a headlamp right now to do my shoveling. So if you're not too busy and you want to come over my way, come on over and help me to shovel. But don't get stuck on the road. Actually, I think the plows are out already. I'm sure they are. But this is how my journey starts for this Monday morning at 2 a.m. So I'll keep you posted on my shoveling journey. As you see, the snow is still going. This is the first batch. All right, like 20 minutes in already. So I'll do another 20 and then I'll go back inside and rest till maybe 6 o'clock or so. And then I'll do some more shoveling after 6. Talk to you soon.